Welcome back everybody. We'll be doing a quick little video here on Trust Wallet token. Many of you would know I went short essentially at close to the all-time high. I was around 12 to 13 cents from picking the exact top. I went short with 12x leverage. I posted all my screenshots over on CoinMarketCap. People were telling me I was dumb, I was stupid, I was a bear going to get absolutely wrecked on that position. But it panned out exactly as I predicted. It crashed 50% within 5 days, on average 10% each day, had a very large decline, and now you are currently getting that slow bleed off. I did make a video after somewhere during this quick little downturn here, once we had that retest back at $1.90, around $1.87. I will zoom into the charts just so you guys can see what I'm talking about here. But I went short, right at the top, like I said, 12 to 13 cents from the very top, and it crashed. Because if we go back to those days and events leading up to this prior trade, we were in a very bad market downturn, right? We were like rock bottom in the market, and this was the only crypto, I repeat, the only cryptocurrency that was making all-time highs. So you just got to think to yourself, hang on a second, something's not right here. And I looked at the charts and I was thinking it could go up a little bit more. And then on the daily time frame, this is what convinced me of going short. So if we actually, let's zoom in on the 12-hour just so we can get a very close-up shot here. Now, if we zoom in on this, many of you would know this is a bearish rising channel or bearish rising wedge. Now, you did have this very strong support at around $1.90. As you can see here, it is, however, a resistance block. So anytime it gets up into that area, as you can see, it did here around early January, and it's perfectly acted as resistance, and we are currently, it's down below $1. But anyway, if we zoom in on this previous price action, I was short, very close to the top. My average price was around $2.56. So right at around this range here. As you can see, it only stayed up there for so long. I think it was like 2-3 days or whatever it was. And then we had that very decisive breakdown. And then we had that massive flush to the downside. I essentially took all my profit out at $1.50 because I looked at the chart and I said, I was looking at it and I was thinking to myself, I do think we will get that retest of around $1.52, and it fell over 50%, but I took majority of the short position out at around $1.52. So if we quickly turn this off log scale and we look at the chart, you can see on the weekly time frame, this is the exact same trend lines that I had in my previous video. If you go from the very first time it was trading on the launch back in 2021, 25th of January, and you extend these trend lines out, I extended one to the very bottom wicks of the all-time, lows, the pivot lows, and then I connected to the body bases of the candle closes, and we are currently getting very close, to hitting this trend line. And in my previous video, it was somewhere trading around this range here. I don't know, around $1.50. I remember it was after this pivot top, it formed here at around $1.87, and it was somewhere on this decline, and I said it's likely going to retest these lower levels. I believe in that video I was talking around 70 to 60 cents, but that was way back here, sometime around here. These trend lines are upsloping, so remember the price targets will increase higher levels the further you put the date out on those levels. So if we hit it next week, we're talking about 86 cents, and if we have some capitulation low type wick, we could potentially see 70 cents. So between 86 cents to 70 cents if it happens next week, in the next 7 trading days, on top of the current 5 trading days we are currently forming on this current weekly candle. So I would expect Trust Wallet token here to fall a lot lower, and if you've watched my Binance video that I've made, I would expect it to also fall lower $210 is the line for Binance Coin. If it falls below that, it's essentially, it is going to wreck a lot of people. A lot of people are going to be caught off guard, but I do expect a very fast, essentially almost a collapse like in price for Binance Coin if it breaks below $210. And this cryptocurrency is essentially, you know, mingled up with, you know, Binance and CZ, as he is currently the owner of Trust Wallet token. I believe he brought it, you know, I think around COVID, March 2020. Same with CoinMarketCap, he also owns that. Just do be aware. So anyway, guys, I would expect Trust Wallet token. I am still bearish, you know, but at these levels, like, I honestly, you know, if you would want to go long at these levels, you know, I think the technicals, you know, you will get a strong bounce at this level. And if we have a capitulation low down to around 70 cents, to me, that's a strong buy level. So, you know, your very first level of support, I guess you could say minus support at around 86 cents. And if we have some type of capitulation pivot low, maybe around that 70-cent level. So anyway, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this short, quick little video. And make sure you smash the like button, smash the subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in the very next video. GameX out. Peace.